Alright guys, welcome back to 𝖩 Gaming. And are you currently forgetting your passcode to your iPhone? You can't get into your iPhone, or if you're facing iCloud activation lock when you just get your phone from the secondhand marketplace, alright, and it's locked to the previous owner's account and you can't get past it. Well, today I have the perfect solution for any one of you facing any of these two issues, or even basically any other issue that you have with your iPhone. Because today I'm going to show you a tool that I personally use that is really powerful, really simple to use, and is very straightforward and actually works. Alright, so which is the tool that I'm talking about to help you with your iPhone issue? Well, it is with the help of this software right here. So this is the iMobi AnyUnlock, and I always goes back to this software whenever I have any issues with my iPhone, or even my parents or my friends having any issues with iPhone. I'll use this to help them out. So personally, I have faced two similar issues that I'm talking about in today's video, like forgetting a passcode, because I have elderly parents, and some of them they forgot about like a own iPhone passcode. Alright, and I have to use this software to help them remove that, because they set their own passcode and they forget about it because due to dementia, all this and that, which is a very common issue. And the second part was me. I was a fallen victim of iCloud lock, because I bought it from a secondhand marketplace. I only used the iPhone as my spare phone, and when I was setting it up, it was locked to the previous owner, and he wasn't hesitant, happy to give it to me, because it requires him to give me his password and emails, which is totally understandable. So I'm basically stuck with a phone that I cannot use at all. So I came across this AnyUnlock. Alright, this looks really interesting, looks really trustworthy. Downloaded it, give it a try, and it turns out it works really, really well for both scenarios I'm using this thing on. So right now I'm going to show you guys what are the features it has, followed by a quick demonstration of how to remove the iPhone passcode, and as well as removing a lock on the iPhone itself. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software first. Let's go. Alright, so you guys can see right behind me, this is the software itself, and you guys can see it has so many features inbuilt into this whole software itself. So I call this the iPhone hospital. So anytime anyone, my friends or family having issue with the iPhone, I always go to this software to help them out. So you guys can see you guys can unlock of screen passcode, unlocking of Apple ID, bypassing of iCloud activation lock, bypassing of mobile device management, removing of iTunes backup encryption, unlocking of screen time passcode, and also removing of screen SIM lock, which is really amazing, and all the features that you ever need. Or if you have any issues or troubles with your iPhone, this will be the perfect software to use right away. So right now you guys can use it to unlock screen passcode. Alright, you guys can see it's the same process. Just have to have iTunes installed and just connect your iPhone, iPod Touch, alright, to your affected device, and you should auto detect, and you'll put your phone into recovery mode and just follow some instructions to get your phone into DFU mode. And after that, just follow some instructions and you're good to go. Alright, just sit back and relax, the software do its job, and you guys can have a really, really awesome unlocked phone, and you guys can use it right away. Alright, the same process goes for iCloud activation lock as well. Alright, just make sure iTunes is installed, connect your iPhone, iPod Touch, and which is the same exact process. So right now, let's show you guys the first footage of unlocking of iCloud activation lock on your phone, followed by removing of screen passcode lock demonstration. So you guys can see both demonstrations, and you guys can see how easy and how straightforward both processes is. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the demonstration footage itself. Let's go. Alright, so as you can see, I have my iPhone right here, and I've forgotten the passcode to it. So if I try multiple times, it will say iPhone temporarily unavailable, and try again 1 minute. So if you keep trying, it will just keep increasing the time, and I cannot get access to my phone using this thing. So I'm going to use the AnyUnlock again. Alright, and just go ahead and choose the unlock screen passcode. Alright, and just click on the unlock screen passcode and just click on start now. Just have to connect my iPhone, iPad to it. Alright, once I've connected my affected iPhone to it, it will start downloading the firmware, and once it says download complete, I just need to click on unlock now. It will start removing your screen passcode, and this takes me about 15 to 20 minutes depending on how fast your phone is and how new and how old your phone is. And after that, it will start removing, and it will say unlocking screen passcode removed successfully. So this is where my phone should reboot, and I can start using my phone right away. So this is how easy and how straightforward to unlock your screen passcode using this iMobi AnyUnlock itself. Okay, so first thing, I'll click on bypass iCloud activation lock, and then just click on start now, and just need to connect my iPhone, alright, to my PC, and wait for it to detect my phone. Alright, and now it has detected my phone. You guys can see the iPhone 16 256GB running iOS 26. So this is the latest iOS version that's currently running right now. Alright, so everything checks out. Alright, you can go ahead and click on the bypass now. I want to click on bypass now, you'll start bypassing iCloud activation lock, and after 10 minutes to 15 minutes time, you will say iCloud activation lock bypass successfully. So this is where your phone should reboot, and you guys can start using your phone right away without any iCloud activation lock anymore. So this is how easy and how straightforward the demonstration process is. Alright, so you guys have seen from both the demonstration footage, it's very easy, very straightforward. You don't have to be very tech savvy to do so. Anyone can do it, and it's really, really easy to do. Or you guys can do it comfortably at the comfort of your own home. And the best part about this is you don't have to travel, back and forth, wasting your petrol costs, wasting multiple hours, or and paying maybe 4 to 5 times the price they're getting this software for to a third-party unlocker. Alright, which you're risking everything and wasting a lot of time and money. Alright, just to unlock your phone. Where with this, you guys can just install it in your PC or even your laptop or MacBook, and can do the unlocking process comfortably at your own home. So after seeing the whole demonstration itself, you guys want to go ahead and check out this, alright, iMobi AnyUnlock, you guys can go and check out the first link in the description down below and go ahead and get this software for yourself. Right now, you guys are doing unlocking any of your passcode, forgotten passcode, or unlocking your iCloud activation lock. And right after using this software itself, right, my phone, I can use my phone as per normal without any issue. I can sign in my own Apple account, all this and that. So it's been really, really reliable. So if you want something that's been tested multiple times and works multiple times without any issue, I've been using the phones for over 6 to 7 months now with no issue at all. Alright, because there's a lot of software out there that promise to do this and that, but they will brick your phone, which is pretty dangerous. So if you want something that's safe, trustable, and reliable, you guys can go and check out this iMobi AnyUnlock. A link to the first link in the description down below for you guys to go and check it out and get it for yourself right away. So that's all for today, guys. Find this video really interesting and really helpful, to give a thumbs up. Alright, comment down below your iPhone model and what is the issue that you're facing and how you unlock it. Alright, so you guys can comment down below anything you want. Alright, and yeah, that's all for today, guys. And this is 𝖩.𝖥립시디L, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.